Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SAP Sales Cloud opportunities and tasks, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SAP Sales Cloud account. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales dashboard. Locate the Opportunities section on the left-hand menu. Click on Opportunities to view existing opportunities. To create a new opportunity, select the New Opportunity button. Fill in the required fields such as the opportunity name and account. Choose the relevant sales stage from the drop-down menu. Set the expected close date based on your sales cycle. Enter the opportunity amount to reflect the potential revenue. Include additional details in the description field for clarity. Once all necessary fields are filled, click Save to create the opportunity. Next, we'll configure tasks associated with the opportunity. Open the opportunity you just created. Scroll to the Tasks section within the Opportunity view. Click on the Add Task button to create a new task. Fill in the task details, such as task name and description. Assign the task to a team member, if applicable. Set the due date to ensure timely completion. Choose the priority level for the task based on its urgency. Once completed, click Save to add the task to the opportunity. You can also set reminders for the task to keep track of deadlines. To view or update tasks, return to the opportunity and check the Tasks section. Here, you can edit, delete, or mark tasks as completed as needed. Regularly revisit the opportunities and tasks to update their status. This ensures that your sales process remains organized and efficient. Review reports regularly to track performance and identify areas for improvement. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively configure opportunities and tasks in SAP Sales Cloud. This will enhance your sales workflow and drive better results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.